pioneer who can't find the frontier, like a soldier who can't find the front. I wandered the weary land until out of the night there came a sound, and in a place between the darkness and the break of dawn, I found a ruined building filled with a strange congregation. They were singing a forlorn hymn, their voices like a cracked orchestra. Fascinated, I ventured inside, and in the half-light I scrutinized their faces. Their features are worn thin, drawn like old coats, hollow like the woods of war, hollow, bereft of certainty. Suddenly a chorus of lamentations arose, the air thick with anger, complaint, and victimhood. I felt a voices seeping into my mind, my own thought voice raised in bitterness too. I could become one of them. I turned toward the only bright light, a faint shard of silver in the dim distance as if at the end of a tunnel. And I ran. Running that tunnel took years, and what years? I was present at the birth and funeral of Lagism. I heard the great unspoken, saw cruelty masquerade as humor, drank from a well in the wilderness and wrote my songs in foreign rooms, passed without seeing at the unbound door to the undiscovered country, cleaned sickness from my wounds, lived through an unspeakable day, saw crowds along the highway and flowers on the roof of a car. I rode in the company of the invisible captain, abandoned by tobacco in dark, peaceful 964 Lucille Avenue. Loved and was loved, gambled and lost, wept, thought, was able at least once to say, this place is love's fortress, and so am I. Finally to emerge from the winter of my journey into the grey light of a small damp dawn, and set forth this. Set forth this set forth the testament of my wanderings in the weary land. There's a black wind blowing, a typhoon on the rise, pouring rain, murderous skies. I'm gonna take my boat, I'm gonna wear my coat, I'm gonna buy my scarf, gonna ride them around my throat, and you can run with me through the time and snow, and on a ride all up to Esquimalt. When I spent so long banging on the wrong door, there's a guy in my head, but he isn't me anymore. I'm gonna find me a ship, stow away on a boat. I'm gonna burn all the words and letters and cards that I ever wrote. And you can sail with me. When the current flows, we're gonna move on up to Esquimalt. Yeah, I'm gonna change my colors, cancel all my things. Desist from talking. Well, some wings. Well, I will not sleep, and I will not rest. I'm gonna put myself and my will to the test. I'm gonna take my tether, I'm gonna tear up my lead, I'm gonna test my knowledge in the field of deeds. If you can run with me, fast as we can go, over the hill to Esquimalt, 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 Esquimalt. Thank you. Pictured a rainbow, you held it in your hands. I had flashes about wings. You just flew. Why did I guess that I tried? You just knew I sighed. But you swore I saw the crescent. You saw the hull of the moon. The hull of the moon. With a torch in your pocket and the wind in your heels, you climbed on the ladder and you know how it feels to reach too high, too far, too soon. You saw the hull of the moon. The hull of the moon. Hey! Unicorns and cannonballs, palaces and piers, trumpets, towers and tenements, wide oceans full of tears, flags, facts, ferry boats, scimitars and scars, every precious dream and vision underneath the stars. You